Sure, yeah, go
Okay.
ahead. I may put some food together and start laying it out.
You guys crashed. Can't you steer?
We want to sideswipe ourselves.
How about can I see you ride past?
Watch this little out. Look, Frankie, let me do the steering. But hold on, make sure to put it down. Come on, stop. Sideswipe the daddy! Get him! Watch out! Forward! Full speed! I want Go back a bit. Watch out. Ready for performance.
Did you know what you could do? One day you could do. I could me and you, Frankie, and Finny and me.
Let's go.
Could water over the flowers and you.
We don't want to do that. Finny, I think you might wreck things, hey? How about you try to do something that's not so destructive? You can probably ride around the house. Pedal forward. Pedal forward. Oh, you got bushes in there. Yeah. You're gonna have to stop.
I don't know how to get it back on.
Oh, you got... That's exact... Yeah, that's what happens when you drive into a bush. You get bush in your bike.
Well, anyways, get on.
No, get off. Don't feed off the pedals while you're doing that.